Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the continuation of previous video, that is how to use comparison operator in automation. Okay, so in the previous video what we did fetch the price and we replaced with we replaced comma with empty string and we print the price. Okay, so this is the price 56,990. So now we will put the condition. Okay, so we'll say if price not equal to we will say 60,000. Okay, so if price is not equal to 50,000, then we will print the statement that price is not equal. Okay, say console.log, we will say price is not equal. Let us execute. So this not equal to and strict not equal so works the same way. Okay, okay, so now the price is changed and we got the message price is not equal to. Okay, so even if we'll use not equal, it works the same way as I mentioned. Okay, so I will save it. The next one will move on, will go to the next operator. Okay, that is greater than, lesser than, greater than or is equal to, and lesser than or is equal to. Okay, so here it checks two things. This greater than and lesser than operator checks two things. One is if the value on the left side is greater, or if both the values are equal. Okay, so here in this greater lesser it checks only one thing, but here a greater than or equal or lesser than or equal, it checks two things. Okay, to show you this, I will take this rating. Okay, we will take this rating. Okay, so if the rating is we will say that if the rating is more than 4 or lesser than 4 or lesser than or is equal to some rating, if it is equal then click on the link. Okay, so we'll say dot only. I'll remove dot only from here. Okay, so what we will do, we will take the rating and keep it in some variable. Okay, so const rating text. Okay, so rating text is await page dot locator. We'll put the locator here. So we will take the first rating element. So dot first dot text content. Okay, so now let us inspect the rating element. Right click inspect. Okay, so it has class a icon alt. Okay, it is highlighting the rating. Okay, so we will take this one and we will say first one. Let us print this console.log rating text. Okay, so it will give this whole thing 4.0 out of 5 stars. So here we want only 4.0, so we need to split this. Okay, so I will show you that. One thing, after checking we can click on the link or we can just print the statement. Okay, in real time usually we'll perform some action. Okay, so it is 4.2 out of 5 stars. So now what we need to do, I want to fetch only 4.2. Okay. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to fetch only 4.2. We need to split. Okay. Okay, so I'll create a variable called price and I'll keep the split string. So const price is equal to, will convert into parse float. Okay. Okay, so here I will say what I want to convert to parse float. I want to convert this rating text. Okay, rating text, double quote, then put 0. Okay, so as I mentioned in the previous video, this double question mark is called nullish coalescing operator. Okay, so if the rating text is undefined or null, it will replace it with 0. Okay. Okay, so after this, put dot split. Okay, so what we want to split? We want to split this text by space. Okay, so if we'll split by space, if we'll split by space, we will get 4.2 out of 5 stars. Okay, so in that we want only 4.2. So I will say 0. Okay, split, enter single quote, then 0. Okay, so here we got the price. Okay. Okay, so now we got the price. Console.log, I will print only the price. Okay. Okay, so now we will put the condition. Okay, so we will say if, sorry, this is not price, this is rating. Sorry about it. Okay, if rating greater than 4, then we will say click on the link. Okay, so link we have already inspected in some, yeah, here I will take this. It will click on the link, this link only if the rating is 4 above 4, or it will give the message. The message is rating is not above 4. Okay, let us execute now. So I'll make a separate video to explain about split. Okay, for now just understand this much. We are splitting by space. Since we want only 4.2, I've taken 0. Okay, so the rating is above 4, so it clicked on the link. Okay, so we can see that rating is 4.2. Okay. Okay, so in the same way we can say lesser than. Okay, so if the rating is lesser than 4, then we can say don't click on it, or we can do something like, if the rating is lesser than 4, then click on it, then we will change the rating is, change the message here, less than 4. Okay. Okay, let us execute once again. Enter pen. Okay, so now we got the message that rating is less than 4. Okay, so now we will use rating is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so here we will change, If greater than or is equal to, click on this. Else we will say rating is less than 4. So since it is less than 4, yeah, it is not greater than 4, it is less than 4, so it is not clicking on the link. Okay. Okay, it clicked on this. Okay. Okay. So this is how we can work with the operators. Okay, so we'll fetch the rating price or anything from the application, and we will compare it with the constant value. Okay, so here this 4 is constant in the sense I'm passing this 4 here, so we can change this value to anything, or we can pass this value from XML or from other source. Okay. Okay, so this is how we work. Please do practice, and if you're stuck at any step, please comment below. Okay, and if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.